कबाड़, चुप न हो गई जेल आए लबादार, कुकिया कुकना उतरी जे बंदा पुरिया पार, सहज सियान पाला खोले ताइक न चले नाल, केव सचियारा होई है एक पूरे चुपे पाल, हुक्म जारी चलना नानक लिखिया नाल।
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। जो संगुरुआं दे नाम श्री गुरु नानक देव जी, श्री गुरु अंगद देव जी, श्री गुरु अमरदास जी, श्री गुरु रामदास जी, श्री गुरु अर्जुन देव जी, श्री गुरु हरगोबिंद साहिब जी, श्री गुरु हरराय जी, श्री गुरु हरकृष्ण जी, श्री गुरु तेग बहादुर जी, श्री गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
Today's facts are: number 1, babies are born without kneecap. Number 2, there are more than 2700 different kinds of earthworms. Do you know how many hearts have earthworm? Anyone know? Yes, beta? Very good. Clap for her. Thank you and have a nice day.
As we know that we are having a number, this one is a dividend or 82 is a divisor. As we know that to learn table of 82 is very difficult, so how we can make it easy? So first of all we will write down 82. We have to divide with 1986. So as we know that this one is the unit digit, this one is the 10th place. So we will write unit digit at one side like this. Okay, so we will learn table 8. 8 ones the 8, 8 to the 16. 16. So subtract 16 from 19, then our answer will be 3. Okay, so as it is write down 6. So what will be our next step? We will multiply 2 with this digit. When we multiply 2 with 2, then our answer will be 4. Clear? So subtract 4 from 36. If we subtract 4 from 36, then our answer will be, subtract 4 from 36, answer will be 32. Write down 32. So next step same, we will multiply 2 with, as we know that 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24, 8 4 the 32. Clear? So when we subtract 32 from 32, answer will be 0 and write down 8 as it is. So next step, 4 2 the 8. So 8, when we subtract 8 from 8, then our answer will be 0.
Today I, Jagraon, would like to share my views with you all on the topic nurturing the meaningful connection in a digital world. Yes, of course, we are living in a digital world where the technology connects us in just seconds. On just one click, we can talk to our family, our friends, even the strangers across the world. But the question is, are these connections meaningful? Sometimes our likes, comments and emojis replaces the real conversations. We scroll the screens for hours, but we don't have time to talk the person just next sitting to us. Technology is very powerful. We must use it wisely. Thank you and have a nice day.